life hacks with Wags. How to make a sandwich, a juicy sandwich. You choose your butternut bread if you like. I don't eat that garbage. I'm going with some whole grain wheat. Thank you. You could choose bagels too if you'd like. Then you need a plate. I'll use paper because I'm being lazy today. Stand by. Alright, because I'm a pattern spurg, I always get everything out ahead of time. So here's the spread. I'm going to do a little mozzarella or possibly switch over to provolone. Depends on the process by the time I get down there. So we got the bread. We got some cheese picked out. We got some, get a little spicy. You got to have it spicy. A little Italian dressing or seasoning. I'm going to do a little garlic. And then we're going to spice this up with some turmeric and a little pinch of curry powder. And then the sweetener back up. Little maple barbecue. And don't forget your mayonnaise. Ooh, look at that mayonnaise is trying to jump out of the can. Look at this garbage. Alright, I'm back. You didn't know what was going on. I'll edit that out. Now, we're going to take, I got to look at the camera. There we go. Taking this creamy mayonnaise. See how that works? And you got to lather this on here. Nice and thick. This is the pre-sauce, I call it. This is a special sauce. Hang on, record. This is a special sauce, see? Because you got to mix that. I'm going to show you how I mix it for my pattern. Anyways, you get both slices, so you do both halves. You just don't do one half. You got to get both sides wet. Got that work? Nice and wet. All right, stand by. Got to get the special sauce. Now I'm going to tease you a little bit, so you're not seeing the special sauce completion yet till the end, or maybe in the middle. It depends where I want to put it. Let's get some of the meat on there. You got to put your meat on the sauce. But before you do that, I put a little seasoning also on directly on said sauce. Like, gives you a little extra. Make sure you got a little taste in every bite, let's call it. So I sprinkled this on there like real delicately. So I'm going to add a little more. That's the maple for the sweetness. Let's put a little garlic. You could mix all this in a bowl, but I'm not going to do that because I'm an INFJ. So there's that. Anyways, I'll add the hot spicy stuff, the curry and the turmeric onto the meat directly. Same thing with my Italian seasoning. So let's get the meat out. Hopefully you can see this. Look at that, huh? Processed meat. Not that good for you, but in an emergency, like let's say the power goes down or whatever, like you could eat. You're going to have to eat it before your fridge goes. But anyways, here's that. Throw that to the side. Hopefully off screen. Now I got another bag. By the way, this is $12. $12 for a pound of this garbage. Like, so you gotta like really like ground chicken every day or chicken, like, cause I really can't eat beef. This cheese is gonna F me up a little bit, but it's Christmas, so we're doing Christmas snacking with Wags. How to get her sweet and spicy at the same time in one sandwich, plus filled with a lot of juice. This is love. See, this is like love. Watch this garbage. So now check this out. I'm gonna sprinkle that. Put some more of the some seasoning. Here's our Italian herbs. You got chodi herbs on there. Cover with herbs. Good for your soul. And then we're gonna spice her up now. Now she's warmed up. Now we're gonna go for the gas pedal. Then we're going pedal down. Watch this. See how that work? Ooh, look at this. Look at it. It's so hot. It's orange. This is good for your blood. It's good for your pineal gland. It's good for your soul. Probably good for your sex life. I bet you they'd find some research for that. Do you? Anyways, you got this turmeric. Good for, this is really good. This got vitamin C and all that garbage in it. Like, and I love my turmeric. I eat turmeric every day. And it helps me move wood around the yard and all that garbage. And keep your fireplace going. Probably, since it's from nature, it's probably good for you. All right, so there's that. Now let's get to the secret sauce. I'm gonna mix it up a notch. We're not adding. Wait, I gotta add my garlic salt to the meat too. You gotta have a little spice to the meat too, the garlic. And then touch it up with the maple, because otherwise you might get a little hot spice in your mouth. Sometimes she can make you tingle, so let's cover it up with a little sweetness again. Just a little extra blast. Good old sweetness. All right, there we go. So we got that now. I'm gonna add to the rest of the juice. So I would normally mix this in a little dish, but we're gonna add some mustard. I'll show you this in a sec. Can you see that? It's love. Is that right? Just is. And then here comes some secret sauce out of Wags' imagination brain today. We're gonna do peaches. See how that works? So if this video, it's peaches juicy sandwiches. See how they work? But you mix the peach with the mayonnaise with a little bit of spice, like I just did. Watch, this is gonna be. I haven't bit into this yet because I haven't finished making it. Watch this garbage. Matter of fact, it's so new. It's a brand new cup. Let me open this baby up. Stand by. See, while I was opening up the peaches, like I got a little on my thumb, and give it a lick. Anyway, this tastes really good. Wait till you taste this garbage. Hopefully you can smell of it. See how they work? We got mayo, we got mustard, the hot mustard, but not too hot. Little spot. I don't want to get it too hot too fast. Then we're gonna put the sweetness peaches on. Here comes the peaches. Watch this garbage. Let me get this closer. I want you to see this. This is like artwork. You gotta treat it like artwork. Here she goes. Watch. It's cold too. It's gonna be a shock. If this hits my hand. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Now that's a juicy sandwich. And it's thick juice too. Like you could really, let me show you this love. Hang on. That's how we finish adding your flavoring to your sandwich. Now watch this garbage. You put it all together for the what do you call it? It's the grand finale. Watch this. When the two hit, watch. Squish. Look at this garbage. See how that works? I should be a freaking chef, but I'm just an artist that sees patterns. Look at this beauty. That's a effing sandwich. Christmas morning sandwich. Look at my fingers. Hang on. I swear to God, I really look at my fingers. No joke. You guys have a great day.